University, specialized in botany, bioinformatics and biostatistics. He earned his PhD degree of biotechnology of orchids from Bengaluru University and had made significant contributions to environmental science, including the publication A Better Earth is Possible with 500 research projects, 2 patents, numerous publications and prestigious awards such as Eminent Scientist Award and Dronacharya Award. Dr. Reddy is a leading figure in his field. He also enriches learning through his YouTube channel and online courses. Now to Dr. Jayarama Reddy.
Whatever is spoken about today will be reality in the future. We have seen this in many cases. For example, there was a drug called insulin that was available for treating diabetes. Initially it was called pigilin. It was produced from pigs. Then it was very, very expensive because you had to sacrifice a pig, take out the pancreas and make insulin. Now we have technology which was developed in 1980s. Eli Lilly made insulin from bacteria. Now it is available for 100-150 rupees. So whatever is envisaged today will be a reality in the future. I'm talking about some technology which is now is only a vision, but it will be a reality in the future. Viral infections are very common. Is there any end to it? But there is a vision, I'll tell you at the end of the talk. So, I'm talking about nanobiotechnology. This is Richard Feynman, who in the beginning said that there is a lot of room at the bottom. Bottom refers to nanotechnology. It is 10 raised to minus 9. It is in terms of nanometer. So we are talking about something which is measured in terms of nanometers. So nanometer is referring to atoms. I'll tell you about the nanoscale later. Alright, so this is a big list of viral diseases. There are at least about 20 popular viral diseases. I'll not talk about this because there is no time about it. And virus is one of the biggest killer. So it kills a lot of people and it affects a lot of people. This is a quick glance about what is virus doing to us. One example I take from this, that is we all have experienced this very recently. COVID-19 killed 7 million people, one of the biggest killer in the recent times. So there are a number of viral diseases which kill human beings, which cause a lot of diseases in humans. Now we are talking about some technology, how to treat this. I'll not worry about this. I'll skip this slide because there is no time. And I want to show you this because virus is a pathogen which causes havoc to human, which causes a lot of damage to mankind. I'll just quickly go through some of these slides which will show you which are the most popular viral diseases. These are the respiratory diseases. Everyone is affected by respiratory diseases. This is cervical cancer. Already my friends have already spoken about it, and there is a vaccine for it. There is a test for it. I have my scientists talking next after me who is going to talk about that, where they have developed a kit. The kit is available with their company, which is coming at a very low cost. So you all should get tested for this. So even this is killing 4 lakh women are killed every year because of cervical cancer. And a new threat, monkeypox. Maybe I heard recently that one person has been tested positive in India, but there's also be a danger in the future. So this is monkeypox, and these are skin disorders which are very, very common. Alright, all of us are affected by skin disorders, one or the other kind of skin disorder. All parts of our body are affected by viruses. They cause different kind of infection. Even plants are also affected. Not only human beings. There is also skin disorder. So these are some of the disorders which are caused by viruses. And coming to the treatments. Now we have some antiviral drugs that are available. And these antiviral drugs, I'll not explain this because we don't have time here. I'll focus only on the futuristic technology. And these are the drugs that are available, and this is the drug against SARS, that is COVID-19. And they have studied molecular docking of this, how it actually inhibits. Alright, so this is again another drug against HIV. HIV also was a dreaded disease some time back, but now it is under control. And you have different regions at which the virus attacks man. And I'll not go into how it attacks because there's no time for that. But you can inhibit virus at different stages. For example, you have an integrase inhibitor, you have a reverse transcript inhibitor, we have protease inhibitors. I have a list of protease inhibitors, and all these are used to treat the viral diseases. But the best method is to prevent it and control it, because no disease can be controlled. I will tell you, if any doctors are there, they can challenge me. Diseases can only be managed. I'll repeat, no disease can be controlled. It can only be managed. Alright, even a simple headache, it's only managed, only you are relieved of the headache, but it is not permanently cured, it can come back again. So similarly, even the viral disease, I told you, the war between man and virus is an ongoing war. It will never end. Even though there is a futuristic technology, viruses are also very clever. They will evolve, they are all continuously evolving. In fact, they are evolving much faster than us. And they will definitely, overcome our discoveries and inventions. So the best method is hydration, rest, and other treatments. And the other method is vaccination. So they thought, and they all advocated that the vaccines will end the problem. And we developed number of vaccines during COVID time. Several vaccines were developed. Even in India, developed 2 important vaccines. It only controlled for a while. And don't think COVID will not come back again. It can come back again, maybe with some other phase. So the war will go on. So we have vaccines, and for a number of diseases we have vaccines. About 20 different diseases can be cured by vaccines. And we also have technologies like interferons. I'm not talking about these things. This is not my topic. So interferons and monoclonal antibodies. And we also have antiretroviral therapies. These are all the technologies which are available right now. Some of them are very expensive, like we have monoclonal antibodies are very expensive, about 50,000 per dose. But still they are available. But we have other technologies like gene editing, viral vector vaccines, preventive measures. All these are the existing technologies which are available already. Some of them are expensive, but they are available. What I am talking about is this: innovations in nanotechnology based antiviral drugs, which is a futuristic technology. It is not there now. So it is going to develop, it is developing. So this is the nanoscale. I think all of you know it. And we are at the molecular stage, 10⁻⁹, that is the nanometer. So the molecules that are measured, in nanoscale, measured in terms of nanometers, are the nanomaterials. Now we are focusing on these nanomaterials, and we are using them as drugs to cure viral disorders. And these can be used for curing other disorders also, but now focus is on the viral diseases, because virus is one of the biggest killer. So what is it doing? It is, you can see, these are the drugs. You are sitting, one man is sitting there, that is a nanotechnology based drug delivery system. And I am going to tell you about how it works. So this is a targeted therapy, and it's a therapy which is very, very specific. And here it is designed to interact specifically with viral components or infected cells. So here it is target specific, and it is very, very specific, and that is the main focus, and it is working at a nanoscale. It is a very, very small molecule. So this is the targeted therapy, never mind. And where you are targeting the specific pathogen, specific region. It may be cancer, or it may be virus, or virus affected area, and the drug is delivered to that point. So that is what is targeted therapy, and that is what is the specific therapy that is going to be built, and that is what is developing at present. And there is a surface functionalization. These nanoparticles to which the drugs are tagged, drugs are attached, are functionalized. That means they are made to function, and they are functionalized with ligands and also antibodies. Alright, and these are very, very specific, and they reach the target, that is the virus specifically. So that is the focus here. And this is one simple thing you can easily make out. We have a nanoparticle. I'll show you some of the nanoparticles that are already developed to which the drug is attached or tagged, and it is delivered at the site to the target. And the next important thing is molecular imaging, where you are these molecules are tagged with agents, and there can be real-time visualization. You can track the drug, you can track the delivery system, and to find out where it is going, whether it is really going to the target or not, whether it is binding to the target or not. If it is binding, what is it doing? The real-time visualization is possible in nanotechnology-based antiviral drugs. This is the third topic, third important, and these are the techniques that are used for molecular imaging. And this is actually focused on overcoming drug resistance. One of the biggest problems with the antiviral drug or any drug is the pathogen will develop resistance very soon. And to avoid this, how to avoid this? You can develop technology, then technologies are being developed. And one more strategy is combination therapy. So where you are delivering multiple